Zomi National Day, also known as Zomi Namanai, is celebrated annually on February 20th by the Zomi people, an ethnic group primarily located in northeast India, notably Manipur and Mizoram, Myanmar, Chin State, and parts of Bangladesh. The day holds significant cultural and historical importance, symbolizing unity, identity, and the struggle for self-determination among the Zomi tribes, which include groups such as the Pata, Zo, Simt, Chin, Vaifei, Mate, Gungata, and Kam. Historically, Zomi National Day traces its origins to February 20th, 1948, when the Chin people in Myanmar transitioned from traditional chieftaincies to a democratic system of administration, marking a shift away from colonial and feudal rule. Initially called Chin National Day, it was renamed Zomi National Day in 1950 to reflect a broader unifying identity for the Zo-speaking peoples across borders. In India, the celebration gained prominence in places like Churachampur, Manipur, around the mid-1990s, organized by groups like the Zomi Reunification Organization, formed in 1993, and the Zomi Council. The day serves multiple purposes. It commemorates the end of colonialism and imperialism, celebrates Zomi cultural heritage, and fosters solidarity among the diverse tribes under the Zomi umbrella. Celebrations typically include traditional dances, music, fashion shows showcasing tribal attire, and speeches by community leaders emphasizing peace, harmony, and political aspirations, such as demands for greater autonomy or a separate administrative unit in India. For instance, the 77th Zomi National Day in 2025, observed today, February 20th, 2025, has been noted with the theme Embracing Harmony, reflecting a call for unity amidst regional challenges. In Manipur, the event is often marked with enthusiasm, though it is considered a restricted or regional holiday rather than a statewide public holiday. Globally, Zomi communities in countries like the United States, Malaysia, and Singapore also participate, reinforcing their shared identity. The day remains a powerful reminder of the Zomi people's resilience and their ongoing quest for recognition and rights within the complex socio-political landscapes of India and Myanmar.